Hi folks, this is my best Unimat lathe. It's up for sale. This has been my pride and joy, and I've looked after it and I've repainted it, and it's immaculate. This is it set up as a mill. We'll do a second video which will be below in this listing, which will show it set up as a lathe, but you get to see it as a mill. Very nice. It's got the orange long life belts, so you won't need to worry about belt changes for a very long time. Very neat. Paintwork is immaculate. We'll show it to you working. It's a UK standard 3-pin plug, so it's 240 volts, 95 watt motor. You have an on and off switch here. It's on the lead like a table lamp. So this is very handy for clock making and for these little tiny jobs which a big milling machine will be unsuitable for. This is the first video. We'll put this back together now as a lathe, and I'll record another video which will be below in this listing. Okay, bye for now.